Want to open a text file in Notepad, but you're not sure which method is fastest? No problem. In this guide, I'll show you several easy ways to open files in Notepad on Windows 11, including a handy shortcut and the Recent Files option. The quickest method is through File Explorer. First, find the file you want to open. Then right-click it and look for the Notepad option, such as Edit with Notepad if it's available. Select it, and Notepad should open the file right away. Pretty simple. You can also open the file directly from Notepad. Launch Notepad, then select the File menu and choose Open. A file browsing window will appear. Navigate to the folder where your file is stored, select it, and choose Open. If you want a faster way, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+O. This opens the file selection window directly. From there, browse to your file, select it, and press Open. Once you remember this shortcut, it can save a few clicks. Newer versions of Notepad can also show recently used files. Open Notepad and select File. If Recent Files is available on your version, you'll see Recently Opened Documents in that menu. Just select the file you want, and Notepad will reopen it. Can't remember where the file is? That's okay. Open File Explorer and use the search box to search by the file name or a keyword. Once you find it, right-click the file and open it with Notepad. This is especially useful when your files are buried inside several folders, and that's it. You can open files in Notepad from File Explorer, use File and Open, press Ctrl+O, or reopen a recent file when the feature is available. So choose whichever method feels fastest for you. If this guide helped, give it a quick like, and I'll see you in the next one.